For over 100 years, humanity lived behind massive walls, terrified of gigantic man-eating creatures known as titans. The people inside these walls believed they were the last survivors of mankind, trapped in a cruel world where stepping outside meant certain death. Among them was a young boy named Eren Yeager. Like most children, Eren dreamed of seeing the world beyond the walls. He wanted freedom. He wanted to know what was out there. But that dream would be shattered in a single day. Without warning, a colossal titan taller than the walls themselves appeared. With one devastating kick, it breached the outer wall, allowing countless titans to flood into the city. As chaos erupted, Eren watched helplessly as his mother was devoured before his eyes. That moment changed him forever. Filled with rage and grief, he swore that he would kill every titan and reclaim humanity's freedom. Years later, Eren joined the military alongside his childhood friends, Mikasa Ackerman and Armen Arlert. They trained relentlessly, preparing for the day they would fight back against the Titans. But during their first real battle, disaster struck. Titans overwhelmed the city, soldiers were slaughtered, and Eren seemingly sacrificed himself to save Armin. But then, something impossible happened. A titan appeared and began attacking other titans. Soon, the shocking truth was revealed. Eren himself had transformed into a titan. Suddenly, humanity's greatest enemy had become its greatest weapon. Using his newfound powers, Eren helped humanity score its first real victories. Hope began to spread. Yet, as the scouts pushed farther into Titan territory, they uncovered a terrifying truth. Some titans were not mindless monsters at all. They were humans. One by one, hidden enemies revealed themselves. Annie Leonhardt was exposed as the female titan. Then came an even bigger betrayal. Rainer Braun and Berthold Hoover, comrades Eren had trusted for years, revealed themselves as the armored titan and the colossal titan. The very people responsible for the destruction of Eren's home had been fighting alongside him the entire time. The battles that followed were brutal. Friends died, heroes fell, entire squads were wiped out. Yet the scouts refused to give up. Their journey eventually led them to a long forgotten basement beneath Eren's childhood home, where the greatest secret in human history awaited them. Inside, they discovered that everything they had been taught was a lie. Humanity beyond the walls was not extinct. Across the sea existed an entire world filled with nations, cities, and millions of people. The people inside the walls belonged to a race known as Eldians, descendants of the first Titan. For generations, they had been isolated and hated by the outside world. The nation of Marley viewed them as devils and had sent warriors like Rainer and Berthold to infiltrate the walls and seize the power hidden within. For Eren, this revelation changed everything. The Titans were never the true enemy. The enemy was the world itself. Years passed. The conflict between Marley and Paradise Island intensified. Eren began walking a darker path, convinced that peace could never be achieved through diplomacy. Determined to protect his people at any cost, he infiltrated Marley and launched a devastating attack that killed countless civilians and soldiers. As his power grew, so did his resolve. Eventually, Eren gained control of the founding Titan and unlocked the terrifying secret hidden within the walls. The walls themselves were made of countless colossal titans. Then came the moment that would shake the world, the rumbling. Millions of colossal titans emerged and began marching across the earth. Mountains crumbled, oceans steamed, entire nations vanished beneath their feet. Eren's plan was simple and horrifying: destroy the outside world before it could destroy his people. What began as quest for freedom had become a global apocalypse. Faced with the destruction of humanity, Eren's former friends made an impossible choice. Mikasa, Armin, Levi, Rainer, Annie, and their allies joined forces despite years of hatred and bloodshed. Together, they launched one final mission to stop the man they once fought beside. The final battle was unlike anything the world had ever seen. Titans clashed in the sky. Ancient powers awakened. Soldiers gave their lives for one last chance at peace. At the center of it all stood Eren, carrying the weight of countless futures and impossible choices. In the end, it was Mikasa who reached him, the person who loved him more than anyone else. Knowing there was no other way to stop the destruction, she killed Eren and ended the rumbling. With Eren's death, the power of the Titans disappeared forever. Every Titan returned to human form. The curse that had haunted the world for 2000 years finally came to an end. But peace did not come easily. The survivors were left to rebuild a shattered world. Old wounds remained. New conflicts emerged. And while the Titans were gone, humanity's capacity for hatred still endured. As centuries passed, civilizations rose and fell. Eren's grave became the resting place beneath a giant tree. One day, a young child approached that mysterious tree, and the story ended exactly where it had once begun, leaving behind a haunting question. Can humanity ever escape the cycle of violence? Or is history destined to repeat itself forever? And that is the tragic, unforgettable story of Attack on Titan. A tale that began with monsters outside the walls ultimately revealed that the greatest monsters and the greatest heroes were human all along.